In this video, I will show you how to create any video into AI animation using your mobile phone. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with your latest upload. First thing that you will do is to record a video or prepare a video that you want to convert into AI animation. Next is download Video Leap app from the Play Store or App Store. Once you've installed the app, open it, then create a new project. Select the video to import. Basically, you can add one single AI effect to your video, but if you like to have multiple AI effects, just like what I did, just cut your video using this cutting tool. I cut my video into 5 sections. Now I start by clicking the second video. Tap on this AI effects, then choose among the options here which AI effects you want to use. I'll choose this AI anime effect. Now select the effect that you like, then it will be applied to the video. Now just repeat the process to the rest of the video that you wanted to have the AI effect. So finally, if you're done, you can save the video by clicking export button, then save video. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.